The production of 48,386 vehicles in Q1 2026 is merely the tip of an iceberg for a revolution quietly unfolding at Giga Texas. Powered by the 50,000-ton Giga Press and the Unboxed process. As printing cars becomes a reality and third-generation LFP batteries slash costs by 50%, Tesla is not just leading the market, it is executing a global takeover. Now that technology enables the leap from hundreds of thousands to millions of vehicles seemingly overnight. Will the legendary names of Detroit and Wolfsburg realize they've been left behind before it's too late? 1. The world's only 50,000 tons Giga Press. You may have heard about Cyberk and the Unboxed process, but if you look more closely at April 2026 when Cybercab officially enters mass production, you'll realize this is not a story about a new car. This is the moment when the 50,000-ton Giga Press is truly operating at industrial scale for the first time, triggering a chain reaction that could reshape the entire automotive industry. According to Elon Musk, this marks the next major leap beyond gigacasting. The numbers alone are astonishing. A force of 50,000 tons, roughly 50 million kilograms, compresses molten aluminum into a single structural component in just milliseconds. Compared to the 6,000-ton presses used for Model Y and the 9,000-ton system used for Cybertruck, this represents a scale increase of approximately 8 times and 5 times, pushing die casting into an entirely new industrial domain. Each casting cycle is expected to take only a few minutes, meaning that in theory, a single machine could produce hundreds of large structural components per day. From a competitive standpoint, rivals remain far behind this level. Companies like Spang are currently operating presses around 16,000 tons. While traditional automakers such as Ford and Toyota are still experimenting with 6,000 to 9,000 ton systems for next-generation EV platforms. With CyberC, Tesla is not simply scaling up. It is effectively creating an entirely new manufacturing category, making even its own previous systems, such as Model Y 6,000 tons and Cybertruck 9,000 tons, appear technically small in comparison. But what does this actually change? Traditionally, a car body is a complex system consisting of around 200 to 300 individual stamped parts joined together by thousands of welds. Each weld introduces potential defects, and each component adds cost, logistics, and supplier dependency. The 50,000-ton Giga Press eliminates this complexity by casting large sections, potentially the entire underbody in a single shot. Molten aluminum heated to approximately 700 to 800 degrees Celsius is injected into a massive mold and pressed under extreme force before being rapidly cooled to maintain structural integrity at the microscopic level. The result is not just fewer parts, but the elimination of entire production stages. This transformation directly impacts the supply chain. By removing hundreds of components, Tesla reduces reliance on dozens of Tier 1 and Tier 2 suppliers, particularly those specializing in stamped steel, welding systems, and subassemblies. Instead, demand shifts toward high-performance aluminum alloys, ultra-durable casting molds costing millions of dollars each, and advanced thermal management systems capable of handling extreme heat cycles. In other words, Tesla is not just simplifying production, it is rebuilding the supplier ecosystem around itself. This casting breakthrough integrates tightly with Tesla's Unboxed manufacturing system. Instead of a linear assembly line, Tesla produces 5 to 6 major modules in parallel, including the front-rear structural battery pack and side structures, before assembling them in a final step. This system reduces factory footprint by 40% and labor costs by 30%, while cutting the total number of parts roughly in half compared to the Model 3. Combined with the elimination of the paint shop, traditionally the most energy-intensive and space-consuming part of a factory, Tesla is compressing what was once a massive industrial process into a far more compact and efficient system. Paint shops alone can account for 20 to 30% of total factory energy consumption.